Okay. So last class, so we discussed what is a Helm and so how it will work and how to create your own chart and how to install that, how to deploy your application and all. Last class we seen, right? So if you interview most of the people, they are asking, so what is Helm? Helm is the package manager simply. What is this? Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes applications. And with the help of Helm, we can allow to install, deploy, update, remove whatever your application. So manually, you know how to create, how to deploy your application. So now no need to write everything scratch level. So with the help is nothing but package manager and multiple files available in that package. And with the help of those configuration file, we are going to update. See, Helm is the package manager for Kubernetes. It allows to install, deploy, remove, update, whatever you want, we can do it. So last class already, you know, so how to create our own Helm. So if you go to here, this is the default directory structure. If we create any chart, if we create Helm is called package called charts. Here package is called nothing but charts. If we give any name, for example, let me open anything. See here, these are the default structure. Chart.yml file, charts. This is the dependency. Some information define the dependency Helm. This is the template. You know, right? These are the main files. Deployment.yml, hpa.yml, ingress.yml, service.yml, service account.yml. These are the default metadata files available in template. So this is the values.yml file. We'll define default values which will be so referred in the template, which will be referred in the template. Now, so let me open window or cmd and cd space so Kubernetes. Cd space Kubernetes. Okay. Now, how to create chart, guys? What is the command? How to create chart? Helm. If you type Helm means it will display list of commands. It will display all Helm related commands and all. So now we can easily understand. Now Helm is working fine. Now how to create chart manually? What is the command? Helm space create and chart name. For example, test chart I given test. Whatever you want, we can give it. So see, what is this? Creating chart. See here, creating chart, creating test. That is the chart name. Now check it whether chart is created or not. See here, this is the directory or file. This is the directory. Correct. Now go to that chart, cd space test, and so type dir. Now see here, these are the chart.yml file and the templates and value.yml file. If you want to, we can see tree also. If you want to, we can see tree structure. So what are the files? So what are the tree structure and all? Now these are the default. Okay. Now go to cd space template. Now cd space template dir. Now we can see deployment.yml file, hpa.yml file, ingress yml file, service account. So these are the default file. Suppose if you want to deploy your application, which file you have to update? What is the file name? Which file, Sudhir? If you want to deploy your application, there is one file, right? What is the file name? What is the file name? Values.yml file. Now got it? Values.yml file. So go to here, so volumes.yml file. Now see here, just now chart is created, correct? So this is the chart name. What is my chart name? Test is the my chart name. So test is the chart name. And if you go to this chart name, cd space test, and these are the files we can see. Now, if you want to deploy, what is the main file? Values.yml file. Notepad, notepad, values.yml file. Values.yml file. Now, if you go here, see here, what is the repository? Nginx and tag name. And what is the service? See here type, cluster IP, port. These are the default values. Whatever you want, we can update and we can install it. So now just I want to deploy nginx only. Now how to deploy, how to install this one? This is a command. What is the command, guys? What is the command? Helm install release name. Now I'm giving so release one. Whatever you want, we can release a test release. I'm giving some name and chart name. What is my chart name? Test. Now see here. So name test release last deployed. Install is nothing but deployed or application. That's it. So now I deployed a default namespace. Status is deployed. Revision number is 1. Now, if you want to, we can check it. See here, kubectl, kubectl, get svc, kubectl, get svc. Now see here, one is created or not. Test-release. This is a cluster IP. So we have to update a load balancer. If you want to access our application browser, we need to update node load balancer. If it is self-managed, we can use a node port, but this is we are using right, so full managed and also mini cube, right? So here we have to give node port. This is a load balancer. So already last class we discussed. Let me delete all. Now today we'll see continuation. So anyone any doubt? Delete all hyphen all. So there clear. Now, so as of now, I created manually. I created one manual chart and with the help of that chart, I deployed my application. Now, so if you go here, so if you go here, real time, many people already they written some charts. So no need to write, no need to create a manually, no need to create manually, and no need to write everything. So how to use existing charts? So if you go here, so here, if you go here, artifact hub dot artifact hub. If you go here, so if you click on artifact hub, so now see here, this is the artifact hub, and here find, install, and publish Kubernetes packages. Many packages already, few already others. Someone is deployed, someone is maintaining in this artifact hub. So whatever you want, so directly we can get from this, get from here, and we can install, and no need to do anything. No need to do anything. No need to do anything. Clear? So this is the artifact hub.io. So this is the artifact hub. So if you want to, we can find, install, publish Kubernetes packages. So here many packages available. Whatever you want, we can get it. So for example, I want to set up so Jenkins. I want to set up Jenkins. So how to set up Jenkins, guys? You know, right? Manual process. You know, right? Manual process. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Now, with the help
Yeah,
of
yeah.
Kubernetes packages, so how to install, how to deploy that application, that so Jenkins related packages and all. Now, if you search anything, so we can search anything. For example, if I search nginx, now see here, if you click on nginx, and so see here, nginx open source package by Bitnami. So this is the existing repo. This is the existing. Someone is already maintaining. No need to create your own chart. This is nothing but existing charts. Not only Nginx, we can use anything. For example, WordPress. Or now, if you want to install, there is a see right side. We can see install templates, default values, value schema. There you can see lot of things. See here. So what is this Nginx? Nginx open source web server that can be also used as a reverse proxy, load balancer, and HTTP cache. And whatever you want, we can use Bitnami charts. See here, Bitnami charts of Helm are carefully so engineered, and so what you want, we can get here. See, prerequisites. At least we need to use 1.23 and also Helm 13.8. And how to install. This is the already everything they given. Or click on simply click here. Click on here. See here, they given to add repository. So this is nothing but chart, guys, existing chart and install chart. That is nothing but deployment. Now got it. Now see here, only we have to execute. So before running this, let me check it. So Helm ls, Helm ls. So do we have anything? Already I have one release. So how to remove this release, guys? What is the command? Helm uninstall, uninstall, release name, test hyphen release. Now got it. See here, release uninstalled. Now check it. Helm ls. Now Helm repo, Helm repo ls. Now see here, already one repo is available. Already one repo is available. See Bitnami. So there is chart Bitnami already available. So now if you want to remove, we can remove also, or we can use existing. So here what we need to do, we need to execute only these two commands. See here how to add repository. So I am not going to create any chart manually. I am going to use existing chart. Copy this command and go to here, paste it. That's it. No need to do anything. Bitnami, right? Helm repo, copy Helm repo, add Bitnami. So this is now we are getting one error, one message. Already it is available. See here, already it is available. No problem. Now if we don't have, it will install like this. We can see. Now how to check it whether it is really installed or not? We can check it. So this chart is added or not? We can check it. Helm repo ls. We can see. So if we add multiple repos, we can see here also. For example, I want to add some other repo also. We can add it. Search here. For example, Jenkins. Search Jenkins. Now whatever you want, click on this. See here Jenkins related. Click on install. Copy this one. Copy this one. Go to here. Just copy and paste it. Just copy and paste it. That's it. Copy and paste it. Already it is available. See Bitnami already same repository available. So here already many repositories available, many charts available. How to check it? Now okay. Now we'll see next command. What is this next command? We can Helm install my Jenkins. What is this, guys? What is this? Release name. Now got it. Earlier I given two commands, right? What are those commands I given? If you want to create your manual, MS Word, MS Paint. So I given so two commands. Click on here. Type. Manually I created last class. If you want to create any chart, what is the command? Helm space create chart name. Correct. This is the command. Now if you want to install, what is the command? This is the manually I am creating chart. Manually I am creating chart. Manually. Now how to install? Helm install release name. Next chart name. Now got it, guys. Now here I am not going to do anything. I am not going to create manually. Already many charts available in Artifact Hub. Already many charts available Artifact Hub. So from this hub, I am going to directly run install command. See here, first I added repo. First what I did, so I added this command. So Helm repo add. So this is the command. Helm repo add, Helm, Helm repo add Bitnami, and that is the repository URL. And if you want to install chart, how to install chart? Helm install, release name and chart name. Now here we can see many charts. So how to see all charts, guys? Let me check it. Now see here, Helm, Helm. What is the command, guys? Let me already somewhere I noted. So if you want to check all editing and all, so this is the Uh, somewhere install delete. Okay. Hmm. Helm search repo bitnami. So this is a command. So even if we hear HCLM helm, so here also we can see helm search. There is a one command is there. Search the keyword in the chart. Helm search, helm search repo, helm search repo. What is your repo name? See here, I am giving same name. Helm search repo, repo name. What is my repo name? Before that, Helm ls, Helm repo ls. So this is my repo name. This is my repo name. Now same Helm search repo, repo name. What is the repo name, guys? Bitnami. So if you see here, here these are the charts, guys. These are the many charts available in this repository. So these are the charts. If you observe here, there is many charts. Now see here, these are the charts. So as of now, I created manually chart. Now I don't want to create manually. These are the existing charts. Which chart you want directly, we can use it. For example, I want to use a WordPress. You know, right? Many people, what is WordPress? Already you know Tomcat. Already you know Jenkins. Let me use same only. Already we know, right? Some servers. Somewhere we can see Jenkins and all. Where is Jenkins? Tomcat. We can set up Jenkins or Tomcat. This is the WordPress, and the same way go to here. Now see here, there is one name is there, bitnami slash Jenkins. So this is the, what is this? This is the chart. This is the chart. Now clear, guys? Which version I am going to use? 2.4. 2.4. Jenkins is an open source. Jenkins is an open source and all. See here, these are the existing charts. Same way, we can see Tomcat also. We can see Nginx also. We can, there is many charts available here. We can check based on, see, MySQL also available. You know, right? How to set up MySQL, and Nginx also available. See here. Anyone any doubt here? Now I'm going to install. I'm going to install Jenkins chart. Okay. So copy this one. So copy this one. Copy this one. Copy this one. And what is the command, guys? If you want to install, if you want to deploy, what is the command? Sudhir, cl clear, cls, helm, mm, install. Mm, what is this? What is this, guys?
Paths.
Release name. What is this? Release name.
Release.
Helm install. Same
Sorry,
commands only.
release
Release name.
name.
And this is your chart name. So did I create my own chart, or these are existing charts? There is many charts available in Bitnami repository. Now I am using existing charts. So this is someone is already created, maintained in repo. Just I am using that existing one. Helm install Jenkins. We can give any name, guys. We can give any name. Okay. So just press enter. If you press enter, so if you press enter, Helm, sorry, typo error, HCLM, right? Helm install, Helm install, Jenkins, this is the release name, and this is the chart name. Okay. Anyone, any doubt, guys, here? Very simple only. Helm install, release name, chart name. So these charts and all available. So here in our Bitnami repo, Bitnami repo. Already added Bitnami repo. In that repo, there is many charts available. Which charts you want to install? I am going to select specific chart name. That's it. Press enter. Now it is giving, see, it is giving some information. See here, this is the release name, deployed, and a default namespace. What is the Jenkins version we are using? 2.4. And so if you see here, please get the Jenkins URL. If you want to, we can get this URL. And if you want to username password, we need to execute these commands also. We need to execute these commands also. We need to execute these commands also. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here? Let me copy this one for your future reference. Let me copy this information and keep somewhere. Wherever you want, we can keep it. Wherever you want, we can keep it. So that's it. Now, now ls. Now that is done, right? Now kubectl get svc. Now you can see sick here Jenkins test type equal to load balancer, and this is the cluster IP. And what is the external IP? This is the external IP. So this is the external IP. Now if you want to access, already this is the type peak load balance, right? Type load balance is nothing but we can access via browser. Now copy this external IP, copy this name, go to browser, go to browser, go to browser and paste it. Go to browser, paste it. Go to browser, paste it. Now see here. Now see Jenkins is coming or not? See here. Now it is asking so username password. How I know Jenkins username password? How I know Jenkins username password? Already it is generating one script, right? I copied and pasted. Now if you want to know username, there are these people there. See, login with the following credential. So echo username user. Echo username equal to user. If you run this command, we will get a username. So where I want to run, go to here, run this command. See here, username is user only. Username is user only. Now go to here, username is user. And what is my password, guys? I don't know, right? So already they given echo password, kubectl get secret, hyphen namespace default, Jenkins, this is release name, hyphen o, JSON path. So they are giving some name, base64 format, decode. D is nothing but decoding, encode and decode. So in Kubernetes config secrets and config mac already explained, right? Same thing. Copy this one and go to here, paste it here. Not copied. So go to here, Control C, go to here, paste it. So before that, there is user also is there. Let me remove that one. Echo user. Now see here, echo, right? Sorry, echo, echo. Base 64 is not recognized internal. Here it won't work. And so let me open same thing. Mm, mm, mm. So colon E C drive here users HP and Kubernetes here also my rate, right? And so this is the here I created, right click, open show, open git bash. Let me execute here. Okay. So now this is the password. This is the password. This is the command prompt. It is not working. So that is the reason I opened git bash only. Both are same only. So I opened git bash. This is the password. Copy this password and so go to here. Now paste it here. Now see here. Now your Jenkins server is up and running or not? Now clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So manually how to download? We are downloading Jenkins file. We are downloading one exe file. We are setting. We are installing some plugins. It is asking username, passwords, and all. And finally we are finished. We are installing some default plugins also. Now, so with the help of Helm, how much time it will take, guys, to set up Jenkins server? Only two commands, right? Only two commands. See here. First we need to add one repository. Once repository is added, and next what we need to do, we need to install, we need to deploy your application. So for example, I need Tomcat, or you need WordPress, whatever you want. So directly we can use MySQL also. You are, suppose you want to set up MySQL. So first check this one, Helm repo, Helm repo ls. So this is my repo name, right? So now search all charts. How to search? kubectl, kubectl, not kubectl, Helm, search, repo, repo name, bitnami. Now see here. So these are the existing charts. So these are the existing charts. These are the existing. So if you want to, we can check here also. Helm ls. Now see here, Helm ls. So already I have one release name. So let's delete it. Helm uninstall. You know, right, how to remove. Uninstall your release name. Jenkins hyphen test. This name. Jenkins hyphen test. This is the name. Release name. That is the release name. Uninstalled. Now check it. Helm ls. So do we have any release name here? Nothing. Now let me install so Tomcat related. Let me install Tomcat. Okay. Now go here. This is the chart. First find where is Tomcat chart. Tomcat related chart. T, right? S T. See here. This is the Tomcat. See here, Apache Tomcat is an open source and all. Now copy this one. Now how to install, guys? How to deploy? Anyone? What is the command? Helm install release name test Tomcat. I am giving a test Tomcat and chart name. What is my chart name, guys? Bitnami slash Tomcat. Bitnami slash Tomcat. Anyone, any doubt here? Hello?
No, no doubt.
Okay. Now let me run it. Okay. 1 second. I'm putting charge and now enter. Now see here. Now, so for future purpose, if you want to copy this username and paste somewhere. See here, this is the release name deployed version 1 Tomcat. I am using so API version 10 Tomcat 10, and I need this information. If you want to, we can copy, keep somewhere, wherever you want we can keep it. Now see here, this is done, right? This is done. Now check the SVC, check the pods also running. kubectl get pods. Now see here, one pod is running or not? Tomcat hyphen test. This is your pod name and it is running. If you want to remaining story, same only. kubectl describe, kubectl describe pod name. See, now kubectl get SVC. Now service is created or not? See here, Tomcat test Tomcat load balancer IP address external IP. How to describe? kubectl describe, describe SVC and service name test hyphen Tomcat, test hyphen Tomcat, test hyphen Tomcat. Now see here. So endpoint also we can see HTTP 32418 and this is the IP, and we can see same. This is the type equal to load balancer and this is the IP. This is the load balancer default name, and so this is the node port we are using. This is the port number node port number, everything we can see here. Now, so now check it whether application is able to access or not. So what is the load balance name, guys? Localhost. Copy this one, go to browser, paste it. Now earlier, not this one, here, kubectl, kubectl get svc. Now see here, copy load balancer, go to here, paste it. Go to here, paste it. Now see here, your Tomcat server is running or not. Suppose I want to log in. So now see here, we need to add, so you know, right, how to add and all. Hmm. We need to add some setup, right? So what is this setup and all already you know, just go and add it. Okay. Now see here your Tomcat setup. Tomcat server is ready. Tomcat server is ready. So remaining story same only. So how to play with Tomcat server? If you want to connect to the Tomcat server, uh, kubectl get pods. How to connect container, guys? Anyone? How to connect container? Tomcat container. So this is my pod. I want to connect my container. What is the command? Anyone? Docker command we are using, right? How to connect a container? మర్చిపోయినారా? Am I audible or not? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Not Kishore. Sudhir?
Sir, hear me, sir.
Okay. Suppose if you want to connect container, what is the command? Docker command. I want to connect the Docker container. So if you want to connect Docker container, we are using one command, right? So Docker exec. Correct? Same way, if you want to connect my container, this is the command. kubectl exec hyphen it and pod name space hyphen space bin bash. Now got it. Now see here, I connected Tomcat server. So remaining story same only. Remaining same thing only. Remaining same story only. So now see here, this is the I am in container. I am in container part. I am in container part. Interview also most of the people they are asking. This is very important question. How to connect container? How to connect container? How to connect container? What is the command, guys? kubectl exec it pod name bin bash. Suppose if we have multiple pods, yeah, suppose inside the pod multiple containers are running. So that case, specifically we have to give, we have to mention that name. So kubectl exec it. Here we need to use hyphen c container name. We have to mention. Suppose your pod has multiple containers. So right now my pod has only one container. Suppose my right now my pod has only one container. So that case, directly we can give this one, no problem. Suppose if pod has multiple containers. So that case, hyphen c. What is the hyphen c, guys? Container. Clear? Yes or no? This is same story only. So this is very important. Suppose so I want to check logs. How to check my container, my uh, pod logs, guys? Anyone? kubectl get pods. So these are my pod. So this is Tomcat related pod. In this Tomcat server is running, right? So how to check, how to get this log? Anyone? I want to see logs. kubectl
Cube get logs.
cube kubectl get logs. Now see here, the server doesn't have resource type logs, so there is no logs command. Now okay, now I'm giving log only. kubectl get log. Now see here, the server doesn't have does not have a resource type log. So what is my question is very important. In interview, many people asking these questions only. So how to see container log? That is nothing but pod log. I want to see my pod log. Anyone guys? kubectl. Hmm. What is the pod name? Log and pod name. Now see here, kubectl. Now see here, kubectl logs pod name. Now see here, this is the our call server log. Okay, if you want to, we can monitor. If you want to, we can check it. So this is the command kubectl logs pod name. kubectl logs pod name. Clear to that? Sure, clear. So not only this, any pod. So very important. Interview also most of the people asking this command, this question only. How to get logs, pod log or container log. kubectl kubectl logs space pod name. kubectl logs space pod name. Clear guys? Very important.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if you want to connect the container, this is also very important. Enter a question. So most of the people asking these questions only. kubectl 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 exec -it interactive mode. Next, pod name. What is this? Pod name. What is this? Pod name. Space hyphen space bin bash. Now see here. Now I connected my pod. Now I connected my container. So this is the pod only. Inside the pod there is a container. Now I connected this container. So remaining story is same only. Whatever you want, we can check it, create, deploy, whatever you want, we can check it. So I hope you got it right. So anyone, any doubt, guys? There. Now
Yes, sir.
this it. Now like this. Now see here. Cube helm space repo ls helm space repo ls. So if you type helm, there is many commands, but mostly no one is asking. If how to create, and so how to search also, how to show information of the chart. So if you want to see information of the chart, we can use this name kubectl show kubectl show kubectl kubectl sorry helm show helm sho show bit nami nami slash bitnami slash what is the repository name guys? Chat name, whether you can Jenkins or whatever you want, you can see it. Jenkins, what is this chart name we given? kubectl ls. We can use test hyphen tomcat. We can use a test hyphen tomcat. Test hyphen tomcat. Test hyphen tomcat. What is missing? Now we can see here available. If you want to, we can see chart all available. Show all information of the chart. If you want to only show the chart values, we can use values. If you want to see only, if you want to CRDS, or if you want to see only, show the chart definition. And if you want to, we can see show all information. So like this, we can pass it here also. chart hyphen all. So chart all, chart name, flag also. So now based on this we can follow it whatever you want, chart. Here also we can check it. What do you want? Hyphen m namespace, flag name available, show all the information, charts, show command, show inspect alias name, and help, whatever you want, we can check it. CLS. Now already we have one repository, and based on this whatever you want, so we can check it. So kubectl search repo bit slash bitnami slash what is this, bitnami, right? Helm repo ls bitnami bitnami bit correct only, right? Not helm, right? Helm search repo bitnami. Okay, so these are the existing charts, guys. So these are the existing charts. So these are the existing charts. Whatever you want, so whatever you want, so we can whatever you want, so we can install and we can check that results and all. Suppose you know, right, what is WordPress, MySQL. If you want to, we can install MySQL also. If you want to, we can install MySQL also. This is very simple only. So if you want to, we can install MySQL also. Now got it, guys? So anyone any doubt? So this is the so this is the this is the artifact hub.io. This is the default website. This is the whatever you want, we can search it here. Not only Jenkins, anything. So artifact hub. So this is the artifact hub, and these are the documentation. If you want to, you can know what is this and how to create that repositories guide and all, and how to create all these things and all. We can check it. See here Helm chart. If you go here, what is a Helm chart repositories? Artifact Hub is able to process chart repositories and how to get it. So these are the some of the commands. What is Helm and how it will work. Now whatever you want, we can search it here. So this is the, if you go here updot.com. So if you want to WordPress, we can use WordPress. If you click and see here, so there is many repos available, many repos available. Which repo you want, we can use that repo, particular repo only. So here this is Bitnami. This is the one repo. Already added is this repo. So if you want to add this repo, click on the install button, copy this command and paste it. Copy this command and paste it. Inside repo, we have many charts. Inside repo, we have many charts. Inside repo, we have these many charts available. So whatever we want, we can directly copy and we can directly install it. So for example, right, MySQL. So how to set up MySQL DB. So same thing. Go to here and somewhere we can see MySQL chart name, MySQL chart name, MySQL. So kubectl, we can use a grep also, MySQL, grep. Now I am in a command prompt, right? It won't work. So let me move on to here it will work. Okay, Helm. I don't know whether it is available or not. Helm, CRC search repo bitnami, already are available, right? Helm. So whatever command we are running here, same command we can execute here also. We can execute. here also. Percentage grep and MySQL. Now see here. So there is a one name is there MySQL. So what is the versions and all we can check it. So if you have search it particularly, we can use this command also. So Helm search repo. This is the repo name and so pipe symbol. So here I have many repos, right? Or count graph WC hyphen capital L. So now total how many repos, how many charts guys we have? See here 130 charts available here. So this is the command WC. You know, right? This is the Linux shell script command WC word count and also hyphen L. I want to list all count how many total charts available and all. If you want to check it, this is a command. So Helm search repo and grep we can use WC word count hyphen. This is the capital L. This is the capital L. So now like this, whatever you want, we can add it. So whatever you want, we can add it. So if you want to set up, there is many charts available, MySQL charts available, and so whatever you want, we can check it. For example, I need MySQL that is, and here you see PostgreSQL also. If you want, we can install it, and so this is the default. So this is the Spark Sonar Cube. If you want, we can set up Sonar Cube also. If you want to, we can set up Sonar Cube also. See here, I hope everyone know, right, how to set up Sonar Cube. So this is also one way. This is already existing charts available here. And with the help of these charts, we can easily set up. So we can easily set up which chart you want. So we can easily set up those charts and all. Clear, guys? So anyone, any doubt here? Just very simple. Cube Helm install release name and chart name. Helm, Helm, right? So Helm install release name and chart name. Which chart you want to install? Which chart you want to work with? So simply we can so select here, just submit it. That's it. Anyone any doubt here? So I hope already I sent this document. Did you get or not? Yesterday already I sent this one.
Yeah, got.
Yeah, so same
Yes,
already
yes.
here are many commands they used. So this is also one way. This is also one way. But so I gone through very simple way. So how to create chart and how to deploy your application and how to check that services and all and how to get output your application and all your chart. So once you deployed any application, we can see that results as well. And just to go through this one and mostly interview they are asking so mostly interview they are asking what is Helm chart. Helm is nothing but a package manager for Kubernetes applications. Simply if we can say Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes applications. Kubernetes applications. So how to create own chart, how to create own chart and how to deploy it. There is two commands. First you need to create a Helm create and Helm create and also chart name. Next how to deploy it. Helm install release name and chart name. That's it. Very simple. Now these are the what is the default structure and what are the files available. They are asking this question. So once you create a chart, if you create any chart, so what is the folder structure and file structure? What is the folder structure and file structure? So this is the folder structure and file structure. Okay, chart.yml template under template deployment.yml hpa.yml ingress.yml. If you want to, we can check it. Whatever you want, we can check it. If you want to, we can check it here itself also. So if you want to check everything available here, see here Helm ls. So HCLM HCLM LM ls. Now see here. So this is the version. Okay. Now, so if you want to, we can check here also. Already I created many things, right? So test also I created one chart name. So if you want to, we can go here, cd space test and so cd space test dir cd space template dir. Here also we can open everything deployment.yml. Now see here what is the structure, already how it will work. API version app/v1, API version app/v1, kind equal to deployment, metadata. Now got it guys. Now these values coming from somewhere, test dot full name, label test dot label name, and spec whatever structure, everything here we can see. So double curly brace, open curly brace, we are calling somewhere. How to read that values? Now see here port number. Now see here, so ingress, and now if you see spec, what is the image full secret, and what is the service account name. And if you see here selector match labels, selector match labels, labels spec, under container, what is the image name, chart dot name, this is your image name, chart dot. So this is the how to call, dynamically they are calling, dynamically they are calling image. See here values dot image dot repository, and values dot image dot tag name, and the default dot chart dot API version. And so this is the port number, see, dot values dot service dot port number. And what is the liveness probe and readiness probe. Okay, so next class I will show you so how it will work, what is liveness probe and what is readiness probe. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? Just we need to practice, so if you practice we'll get more. And these are the commands guys, I will share it, and the chat box, just copy and paste somewhere, and we can, if you have any doubt, refer these commands. Okay, whatever commands I executed, same thing available here also. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt?
Please share it in WhatsApp. You,
WhatsApp group. Okay, I will share in
Nartana.
WhatsApp group. Okay. So if anyone
Okay.
connected, so laptop just copy and paste it, or else I will share in WhatsApp group. Okay. So
Yeah.